Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be painting this guy's car, but I don't know where he is. He just dropped it off. He said I gotta figure out how to pop the trunk. I don't know how to pop the trunk, but there's some money in the car I'm gonna take. I think that's it. Let's see. Oh. Hi.
Big car.
Alright. Do you want to explain to me what this is? Let's get painting. These ones actually fit. You wanted red, right?
Yeah. Looks great. There's one right there. Yeah, big one.
Alright, if there's more, that sucks for you.
What even happened to these? Did you come on it?
I think he forgot to take out the tail light.
Nah, it's fine.
We found a gift. Problem. This one has the lock cylinder, so it's like connected and shit. That's dumb. Who made this shit? Worst case scenario, we'll put your fucking, take off your door panel to put it back. Okay. See, so we're not actually gonna paint it white. The goal is, if we get enough white dust on it from sanding, the colors will start to match. Now what I don't know here is that this white dust actually matches way better than the final product will. Nick?
Nick, what can I get for you guys today?
Can I get a... Ooh. Do you like this song? Are you so happy, buddy? Ooh, you fuck ass. This is the only place that's open to crack a fucking dawn, bruh.
It's gaming Home Depot.
Yeah, we just gave them a broken one and we're like, can we have a new one? You think they have Blue Chew? The beauty's back. It's been 2 months, 3 months
since we sanded it.
See, that beautiful tape we did was raped a little by the sun. But
only about 2 months worth of sun.
There's just still a line there. We'll make it work enough. We put Bondo on it under all this primer shit. All those little red circles got fixed like this. What you doing, buddy? Hey, get back here. Hey, get the fuck over here, dude.
Goddamn, I need a foot job. Goddamn, I need a foot job.
Goddamn, I need a foot job. Hey, bro, you want that foot job?
I want that foot job.
You guys don't tell them about this. It's circled, but we never fixed it. So if we just wash the circle away, it's like it's not there. Okay, we've got the slave working on this over here.
I've been working on the railroad.
That's right.
Oh, no. It was on the other side too.
Dude, that's what color it used to be. Oh my god.
That's crazy.
It's literally the exact same roll of tape. Dude, where's the fucking car?
I swear it was right here, man.
We literally just turned around to grab the paint. Dude, where's the towel? Where's the...
The cardboard was right here.
Bro, wasn't...
Detroit.
These adapters make it way too long, bro. It's like...
Hey, this is the same color it was before we started.
Your mama.
Bro, that looks like the stuff that's inside of like the fuck are they called? From Plankton?
Vagina?
Nah. The chum bucket, bro. When he made chum burgers. Wow. That's
It's squirting out the top as I screw it on. It's so cool.
Is that like a technique trying it out on the paper?
Yep, it is.
Oh.
But if you have plastic, it's a bad technique.
Ah. The roll of tape you threw is back.
What?
The roll of tape came back for vengeance.
The fuck, man?
Primered and sanded. She beautiful.
You gotta shake it.
He really likes paint. I don't know if you noticed. Huh?
You should be a shake boy. Here you go. I guess we can shake it after it's in this. That'd be easier. Look how rich I am. I'm flexing. I'm using a snap-on screwdriver to fucking paint with.
Hell yeah.
I think we can reuse this one. Check that out.
Yeah, that's pretty solid actually. I like that one.
They look really pretty close.
Oh yeah, you know. Oh. Oh wow, he just went for it.
Get your cock out of... Get the fuck out of the way, dog.
You get the fuck out of the way. Ah, fucking idiot. I'm leaving now. Fuck you.
I'm double dicking it.
Yeah, bro. Oh, is it?
Is it a good thing that I can smell the paint through my gas mask?
Guys, don't do this. Don't use acetone.
The guy at the paint shop told us not to, but
We told him to go fuck himself.
basically.
We said, actually, we're professionals.
Ooh, ooh. You can jiggy with it. You can jiggy with it. Ooh. Not the snap-on. No.
Damn, bruh.
No.
Gonna have to call the truck on that one. Oh boy.
So, that piece of shit broke all of the wires. It tripped everything. And it's hot as fuck. So, fuck them. They can hear me fine. So we have to use this little piece of shit now. We were almost done.
Okay. How do you like it, buddy?
I like this part.
Yes, that's your favorite part?
I like this part.
Oh,
And then
yeah?
Over here, this one's my favorite. This whole door is my favorite. You can't really tell.
Yeah, actually, can they tell? Yeah, you can. See, it's very spotty. With the base coat was not on enough. The sun was playing tricks on us. So, yeah, one day maybe we'll redo that door. It looks probably way worse on camera, actually.
It just looks dirty.
Looks epic.
So we're gonna take off the tape now.
But it's
And by
quite
we, I
shiny.
mean Nick's gonna take off the tape. I'm gonna watch.
Yep.
It's been a couple days. It's all cured on there. But as we didn't make clear in the video, you can see these don't match. But
No, it's perfect.
honestly, other than the runs, you can see this thing came out pretty damn good. It's a little bit
Other
shiny.
than the runs,
Yeah, we fucks with it.
the runs.
These are a stylistic choice. They go all the way up.
It's like it's a.
There's a couple here.
It has a little frosting on it.
Yeah, that one's like dripping down, but there you go, buddy.
It looks great. It looks great.
So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out when we fix this. That'll be the next video, is making this not look so bad. But we're just gonna wrap the other panels. Just fuck it, whatever.
Yeah, fuck painting.
See
Sucks
you next
dick.
time.